10 things you notice about a man with the first kiss. Whether it's a boy you've just met or who has finally managed to conquer you, there is no action that tells you more about him than what is perceived by the union of your lips with his. And this is simply because it is something that you expect and from which your mind has made an idea. But it is not only something that determines whether you have chemistry or not, but it also tells you about some features of the man in question, which will tell you if you want to continue in the conquest or say goodbye. 1. Personality. If he is an intense, romantic, funny guy and others, you can know him with the way of kissing. 2. His height. You never finish discovering if a guy is tall, short or of normal height until you have to kiss him. 3. His breath. Know there is a courtship or open relationship that works well if a man has bad breath. 4. Experience. There are guys who, although their confidence makes them look like experts in the conquest, when they kiss they leave much to be desired. 5. The time he has without kissing. Boys and girls may have time without action, this makes them a little clumsy if they are rusty. 6. If he opens his eyes or closes them. There is not more uncomfortable act than opening your eyes a little and see that the other is also seeing you. His expression will say if it is merely curiosity or if you do not call the attention so much from him. 7. His intentions. There are kisses to kisses. If he wants to take something calmly, the first will be slow. Instead, if his goal is to take it to a more private and hot place, these will be accompanied by some naughty hands. 8. The way to carry out a relationship. If he takes the lead, you will realize that he likes to be the leader. 9. The details of his face. The things that you have not noticed, such as freckles, moles, and even if his eyes have more than one shade or are different from how you saw them first. 10. The way he smells. There is nothing a woman enjoys more than the good smell of a man. I bet you did not imagine everything that the first kiss says. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.